the sun rays, sun, earth, moon. The sun rays is not hitting the moon. The reason why the moon is bright is that because of the sun, it reflects light. Ngayon, pag nakaganyan na, it's dark. The reason why it's reddish or copper in color is that light rays are in spectrum, right? Like red, blue, green, yellow, whatever. Pag nagbe-bend yung ano, siyempre magre-reflect yung may pagganon na light, may gaganon from the earth, from the atmosphere, may gaganyan. Yung mga bend lights na yan ay it's in the more or red copper color in the spectrum. That's why it's that color. The reason why in the morning when the sun is up, kung nandito ka, the sun rays is like this. It's bent, hindi yung direct towards you. Pag nag-bend na ganon ay it's more on the reddish spectrum. That's in the morning and in twilight.